Today we are at Schaumburg High School, and I have a very special guest with me today.
Yep.
Elevator Dog 100.
Yep, and this right here is Gigi, aka Elevators 2022. Is that your name of your YouTube channel?
Okay, well this is a...
It's an Otis Series 5, and this is the elevator that's, it's near the gymnasium, but it's in like the classroom portion of the high school. So, with that being said, let's take a ride on it.
I sometimes pause.
And here's the elevator. Wow, this cat's pretty big. So now we're going to ride up to 2.
Let's do a cab view.
From the indicator. So here are 2. Opens up here. So also bet that's at ground level.
Want to say anything to YouTube?
What do you think about this elevator so far?
It's great. Yes, guys, that is Elevator Dog 100. How about that? Yeah. We weren't expecting that surprise.
Yeah, this is a look at the cab. It's hospital size, as you can see. There's a carpet. Has a nice design to it as well. You can see me up in the ceiling. There's Gigi right there. So there's your indicator. CB elevator number 1, which means that there's probably another elevator in this building somewhere. Here are your key switches right there. Here are your fixtures. Surprised that Gigi does not have a star next to it since it's at the main level. There's your phone, and your door controls and alarm. And there's your certificate of inspection if you want to pause to read.
There's your floor indicator, there's the panels, and there's our phone of course, and there is our certificate of inspection. And
now,
we're gonna go
the outside of the elevator.
outside.
So now we're going to watch this close up. There it goes.
That's when I've ended my video.
Another thing to point out is that we violated this sign. Oh well. There's Gigi. And to show you the fire alarm system, it has Simplex True Alert, horn strobe, Simplex 2-step T-bar pull station, or dual action I think is what it's called, and a Simplex 4098 or 4908 series smoke detector up there. You can really hear that annoying fan from the elevator. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that'll be it.